Ever wish you had superhuman strength? You know, the kind that could lift a car or, I don't know, move a giant rock? Well, believe it or not, that power isn't just for superheroes. It's real, it's all around us, and the secret behind it is surprisingly simple. Let's dive in and see how it all works. Okay, let's start with a little thought experiment. Picture yourself standing in front of this massive boulder. It's huge, way bigger and heavier than you, and your job is to move it. Your first thought is probably, no way. And you'd be right. With your bare hands, this is a totally impossible task for one person.
But you give it a try anyway, right? You put your shoulder into it, you push with everything you've got, and nothing. Not even a wiggle. That thing is not budging.
But now, what if I told you there's a tool that could change everything? A tool where you could just press down with one finger and watch that impossible rock lift right into the air. Sounds a little like magic, doesn't it?
Well, it's not magic. It is a brilliant piece of science, though. It's called hydraulics, and it's how we lift impossible things every single day.
The entire secret to this incredible strength lies in something we see all the time: liquid. More specifically, it's all about how a liquid behaves when it's trapped inside a container. So, what is it about a trapped liquid that unlocks all this power? Well, the answer comes down to a really fundamental rule of physics. Just think about squeezing a water balloon. When you push your thumb into one spot, does it just cave in right there? No, of course not. The entire balloon bulges out everywhere else. That's because the pressure you apply in that one little spot spreads out instantly and equally in all directions. This idea actually has a name. It's called Pascal's principle. And this one rule is what makes all of hydraulics work. The key things to remember here are closed container and spreads equally. It basically means a push in one spot becomes a push everywhere inside. So here's the bottom line. You don't have to remember the name Pascal, but you absolutely should remember this simple rule. A small push in one place can create a massive push in another. This is the core of your new superpower. Now let's see how we actually put it to use. To really get how this works, let's look at a simple hydraulic system. You can think of it as a tale of two pistons. Picture two regular syringes, the kind you see at a doctor's office, and they're connected by a tube. We filled the whole thing with oil and sealed it up tight so nothing can leak out. One syringe has a small plunger, or piston, and the other one has a really big one. This right here is our hydraulic machine. Now, to understand why that big piston is so important, think about this. If someone accidentally steps on your foot wearing a stiletto heel, ouch, it hurts a ton, right? That's because all their weight is focused on that one tiny point. But what if they stepped on your foot with a big soft pillow? You'd barely even feel it. The force is the same, but it's spread out. Hydraulics is just a clever way of using that same idea. This is where the real magic happens. It's called force multiplication. When you push on that small piston, you create pressure in the oil. That pressure travels through and pushes up on the big piston. And here's the kicker. If the big piston has an area that's 10 times larger than the small one, the force coming out is magnified, you guessed it, 10 times. Your little push just got a 10x power boost. So you might be wondering, why oil? Why not just use water? Well, oil is pretty much perfect for this job. For one, you can't really compress it, so your push is transferred instantly. It also keeps metal parts from rusting, and it flows really smoothly, all while lubricating everything. It's just the perfect messenger for carrying that pressure. Okay, this isn't just some neat science fair project. This technology is everywhere, doing incredible work all around us. Ever seen someone change a flat tire? That car jack they're using? That's a perfect, simple hydraulic system. Pumping that little handle up and down, that's your small push. The jack lifting a 2-ton car, that's your big lift. You're literally using Pascal's principle to lift a car. And it's not just for lifting. When you gently tap your brake pedal, you're applying a small force to a piston. That pressure zips through the brake fluid to much larger pistons at your wheels, which then clamp down with immense force to stop your car. Tiny push, massive stopping power. And of course, you've got the heavy hitters. The incredibly powerful, sweeping motions of an excavator's arm are all controlled by hydraulic cylinders. That's just oil being forced into them, giving the machine the unbelievable strength to dig through solid earth and lift gigantic loads, all controlled by an operator just moving a couple of little joysticks. So let's just recap the whole thing real quick. 1. You seal a liquid, like oil, in a system. 2. You apply a small force to a small piston. 3. That pressure instantly travels everywhere through the liquid. And 4. The pressure acts on a big piston, multiplying your force to create a massive lift. Small push in, big lift out. It is that simple and that powerful.
So, there you have it. The magic is really just physics. It's a simple principle that turns a small, everyday push into what feels like superhuman strength. Now that you know the secret of hydraulics, it kind of makes you wonder, what impossible thing would you choose to lift?